The Bible provides wonderful verses about love. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails. But where there are prophecies, they will cease. Where there are tongues, they will be stilled. Where there is knowledge, it will pass away. 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 4 to 8. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 13. Do everything in love. 1 Corinthians chapter 16 verse 14. Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 2. Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins. 1 Peter chapter 4 verse 8. There is no fear in love, but perfect love drives out fear, because fear has to do with punishment. The one who fears is not made perfect in love. 1 John chapter 4 verse 18. Hatred stirs up conflict, but love covers over all wrongs. Proverbs chapter 10 verse 12. Whoever does not love, does not know God, because God is love. 1 John chapter 4 verse 8. Love must be sincere. Hate what is evil. Cling to what is good. Romans chapter 12 verse 9. A friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for adversity. Proverbs chapter 17 verse 17. For God so loved the world, that he gave his only Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish, but have eternal life. John chapter 3 verse 16. Husbands, love your wives, just as Christ loved the church, and gave himself up for her. Ephesians chapter 5 verse 25. However, each one of you also must love his wife as he loves himself, and the wife must respect her husband. Ephesians chapter 5 verse 33.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Joy Mach Passion TV on YouTube channel and Facebook page Passion TV. Please like and follow.